Curry leaves are a rich source of beta-carotene and proteins, which can reduce hair loss and increase hair growth. To make this oil, I have taken some curry leaves, 1 cup of coconut oil, wash them thoroughly and remove all the dirt if any. Add a handful of curry leaves into a mortar and crush it well. Add 1 cup of oil. Add the crushed curry leaves into it and stir well. Do not overboil the oil as it loses its quality. Always keep on low flame. When the leaves start to become dark, switch off the flame. Let it cool for a few minutes. Once the oil is cool, transfer it into a glass bottle. While applying the oil, gently massage your scalp. Leave it for about 30 minutes and rinse it with a mild shampoo. Please like and subscribe my health and beauty channel.